Hi, this is Alex at Dataanalytics.se. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Trends in order to make predictions and forecasts. And in my example today I'm using the Eurovision 2018, which will be broadcasted tomorrow evening. I have a couple of predictions here, which all of them are based on the data which I've extracted from Google Trends. And please use this information as an example of how to use Google data and not as a recommendation. Here in my Excel sheet I have some more details regarding the songs and the singers, and I've sorted the file based on what the odds market thinks will be the outcome for this event. And here in column C I have marked a couple of singers in yellow, which I'm going to use in Google Trends. And if we look at the last 4 hours of searches on Google Trends, it looks like this. And we can see that in dark blue we have Cyprus, and then we have in red Ireland, and then we have Germany in yellow here, and Sweden in green, and Lithuania. And it's also possible to use different time frames. And if I choose here the last seven days, it looks like this. And there you can see that there's a big spike for Benjamin Ingrosso from Sweden during last night's semifinal. And then it's also possible to filter on the last 30 days. And then you can see that Cyprus has a really strong trend. And down below here you have a map in which you can see the searches geographically. And now I will filter on the last 4 hours again, and then I will extract some data, and then I just go to this symbol here and press that one, and then I will download a CSV file which I'm going to use for my analysis. And here in my Excel file I have a sheet with 30 days data until the 8th of May. And we have the artists here and index, and I will use this data for a pivot table here to the right, and then I have a chart linked to this pivot table. And if I look here at the Ireland singer Ryan, he's got a higher index than on average than Lithuania, and the trend, both linear and exponential, seem to be quite strong in comparison with Lithuania. So I will use that information in order to make a prediction based on this trend. And the third prediction here is that Benjamin Ingrosso from Sweden will get 12 points from a couple of countries here. And then I'm using a file with the last 4 hours of data. And if I sort that one descending on the index based on Benjamin, and then I will change the format here so you can see it in comparison to Cyprus, that these 4 countries seem to be searching a lot on Ingrosso in comparison with Cyprus candidate. And then you can also sort it on the percentage difference here, but it will be the same result. So you can use this information in order to make predictions. And based on this information, I'm saying that Norway, Finland, Estonia and Denmark will give Sweden 12 points in tomorrow night's competition. And if we go on here and look at the fourth prediction, we can see that Cyprus are going to get 12 points from a couple of countries. So I just sort the file descending on Cyprus score. And then Cyprus are not allowed to vote, and Kosovo doesn't have a vote. So marked in green here, Albania, Macedonia and Spain have high score. And based on that information, we make the prediction that they will vote and give Cyprus 12 points in this competition tomorrow evening. It will be really interesting to see the outcome of these predictions. I think the most important thing is that I wanted to show you that you can use Google Trends data in order to improve your analysis and analytics in general. Hope you enjoyed this session. Please share and like if you want to. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.